Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset app preferences in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the apps. Select it, then click on the manage apps. Wait. And then find the three dots on the right top corner and then select reset app preferences. Here we can see this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled apps notifications, default apps, background data for apps, and you will not lose any data for app. And then click on the reset apps. And that's all for today. Goodbye.